Guys, this knife right here, you see it? You see what's on it? You see what's on this knife? Yeah, I did it. I cut myself really bad, and I probably should go and get some stitches, but it's bandaged up right now, and we're just starting out our day. We're supposed to have a big day today too as well, and what are we gonna do now? We're gonna make the best of it. That's what we're gonna do. Yeah, so kids, be careful with blades and razors and all this other stuff. It gets nasty. It gets real nasty. It gets nasty. So just be careful out there, guys. Make sure you have the proper med kit in your work truck or your trailer. Very, very important to make sure you have what you need in the event that an accident does happen, because guys, let's face it, it's not if it's going to happen, it's when it's going to happen. So be realistic. It can happen to you. Make sure you're prepared for it. Don't go cheap on your med kit. Your first aid kit should be baller. The more you spend on it, probably the better and happier you will be come time you need it. So do the right thing. Make sure you get the proper first aid for your work truck or your work trailer or even your job sites. Keep it available. Keep it out. Keep it visible. The last thing you want to do is deal with an invisible med kit when the time calls for it. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about that, guys.